you're watching Sights and Sounds on Code TV Africa with your boy Gaby Gray, brother from another mother, royalty.
Yo, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the show. It's still Sights and Sounds with me, your boy Gaby, great brother from another mother. You know, we always get to do this best in our best way. This is one of the programs, or the main program, that will bring you the entertainment from all the events that happen around Kampala and some other parts of the country at large. And hey, you chilling with me, your boy Gaby, great brother from another mother, and Dero himself on the camera. This Sights and Sound, your program, Code TV Africa, is the number one station that you're watching. And hey, it's already lit out here. We are at the Rooftop Garden City. That's where the event is taking place. And I just want us to talk with some of the few people that are really enjoying the party right now. And come with me, let's keep it rocking. Let's keep it rocking. Yo, hi. Oh, Duka, what's up?
Cool. Hi.
How are you?
Fine.
You're good?
Yeah.
What are your names?
Nadia.
Where do you come from to come and join the party?
From Rubaga.
Rubaga? Ain't you scared?
No. Why should I be?
They never know they might kidnap you.
No. We are here to enjoy Dasi.
Okay. Okay, it's Dasi like she has said. And let me keep you rocking with the best team ever, with my Dero on the camera, and then with the biggest crew. Then chilling with the best man. Yo, what's up? How you doing?
I'm okay, how are you?
You're cool?
Yeah.
You're feeling cold already?
Yes, I'm
But
so
it
good.
seems you're not dancing.
No, I'm just eating and I'm go back. Just eating and I'm go back.
So, after eating, you're going to enjoy the dance?
Yes.
Hey, bananga, wantu bali mukulya masala wano. Nzenze tebampaddeeko naye no problem, man. Okay guys, you're rocking with the best team, and we will still watching Code TV Africa with me, your boy Gaby, great brother from another mother. Waratwe wazo wane yaddu said that, but hey, let's keep it rocking. Twogereko n'abakabi wano, they tell us what have they come to do. Never know, some of them maybe they have come to enjoy the eats, some of them have come to enjoy the table, and some of them, hey bro, what's up? How you doing?
Good, how are you doing?
Good, eh?
Yeah.
Tell me your name.
I'm called the Disciple.
Disciple?
Yeah, the Disciple.
The Disciple?
Yeah.
First, elaborate more about your name.
The Disciple is basically, it's me being saved and knowing that I'm a disciple, a follower of Jesus Christ. Simply, it's that, yeah.
Okay. Just one or two words for the youth that are not yet saved. They have not confessed salvation.
Definitely for the youth who have not yet confessed salvation, they are missing out a big bunch of fun and a lot of freedom. Because in a dispensation that we are in as Christians, I mean, the grace of God has been released, and there's nothing like condemnation. What guys are doing at the background is purely of God. Nothing like it is ungodly. So those who are at home and have not been part of it, next time they should be here and enjoy and have fun in Christ.
Thank you, the Disciple. That's his name, the Disciple. And man, let's talk to Nyama Choma. This guy is making money. Let's man, church you. How you doing?
I'm fine. How
You're fine, eh?
Yeah.
How much have you made so far?
Ekituufu sinazibala.
Nyina abatonda bali mu kulya ebyakabi wano.
Obwedda bo balya naye sinaziba sinebala abalamu.
Okay, so tuye kumanya gwani?
Nze Mkalisima. Yeah.
Okay, nenga wanyumiddwa omukolo.
Ekituufu kyo nnyumiddwa kuba mukola ssente.
Ate n'abavubuka. Kati kyompadde yako obwerere nange neneyagala.
Leta yakasambuko kankuwo.
This man is telling me to give him 7K so he can give me some meat, eh? But let me talk to some of the guys. What about him mugule iberenge wano sibategeera. Man, so je twogereko ne bano. What's up, man? Tewekweka. Camera zikulaba. You're a disciple of God, eh? What's up?
I'm okay, man. What's up?
How you doing?
I'm
You're cool, eh?
Everything fine.
Come on, your camera. You never call it, eh?
Sit your camera.
What's your chance of kulaba?
I did.
If you truly stand for Jesus, why are you hiding?
No, I was just calling somebody to come and join.
You tell me your names.
I'm Becca.
Becca.
Yeah.
So did you come with a friend or your
Yeah.
sister, a sibling?
I came with many. There's this one. Wait.
Hello.
Hello.
Greeting.
Hi.
How are you doing? Why are you shying away?
I'm not shying away. I'm not.
Okay, just come close. Just come close. By the way, before even you tell us your names, what's the purpose of you coming here?
To dance for God.
To dance for God. Just give me one Bible verse.
1 Corinthians 10:13.
1 Corinthians 10:13. I want to ask you what it says. But tell me, are you ready to buy me one box of
No,
popcorn?
I'm not ready.
They told me everyone that's here is having money.
Yeah, but I'm not ready.
Hey, she's not ready. But let me tell this guy, man. This guy is just throwing money down, yeah? Okay, how you doing?
Not bad, how are you doing?
So just tell us, take us through what's happening. What's happening?
Actually, we are popping.
Yeah.
We're popping some popcorn, some sweet juice, which is very fresh.
Okay.
And people love it so much because it's getting done.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, so someone buys popcorns here, then it goes for juice the other side.
Rolex. There's also Rolex. Then there's nyama chomo, chicken, and beef.
Okay, so who's the boss?
The boss.
Your own individuals. You came.
No. It's a partnership.
Hey,
Yeah,
partnership.
Exactly.
But we can also make partnership as you give me and I taste some and you know how it's done. Yeah?
Sure. I get you.
Hey.
Yeah, meanwhile, as you cruise around, you'll come and that's some point water.
this man is chasing me away. He's telling me to cruise around. But hey, I have no problem. Let's talk to the people that are on the dancer, enjoying the party. Yo, everybody, I know it's very late right about now, but hey, I'm chilling with one of the new uprising ants. He's a very known star by the names of Colifix. Yo, boy, fresh boy, one.
This is a real boy, Colifix, representing there, so bit connect with it. Yeah, man.
I didn't know you would turn up today.
Yeah, I had to come. Speech FM, they are my friends. King Weasley is my friend. We are doing it for the gospel family.
I'm loving your outfits. You're looking all good. You're looking a fresh boy, yeah?
And the real one.
The real boy there.
Yeah, man.
So tell me, what has been your greatest moment right now?
Yeah, People are very happy. We are doing this for God. It's
But
very.
now I've seen you jumping on stage and everyone just went crazy.
Man, energy, Christian energy.
She does zero for real.
Yeah, zero.
Hey, Munda Muli.
Yeah, so Munda Muli.
Just give me a little dance, a little dance.
Muli.
Eh?
Muli la
Eh?
ze Munda Muli. She
Eh?
does zero.
Hey.
Munda Muli. Muli la ze Munda Muli. She does zero.
Just give you a big shout out to the people and call out to the youth to join gospel music. Yes, big shout out.
Yeah, man, everybody watching. This is your real boy, Kali Fix That. Kali Fix That. Munda Muli. Yeah, man, everybody watching. Big up to everyone. This is your boy, Kali Fix. Keep supporting, keep loving urban gospel music. Yeah, man. Salute. Yeah.
Listen, you're watching Sights and Sounds on Court TV Africa with your boy Gaby Gray, brother from another mother, royalty.
Oh man, this is happening solid right here at the rooftop Garden City. It's where it's all happening here. Now I want us to talk to some of the few people that are really enjoying the dance. Hey! Oh man, it's just lit right here. Now just come with me and let's talk to some of the people. Yo, what's up?
Hello.
How you doing?
I'm alright. How are you?
That's what your name?
Christian.
Christine, are you enjoying the party?
Of course I am.
Now let me see you dance. Huh? Hey! 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 It's really. Now I want us to talk to some of the ladies that are really making it here. Yo, what's up?
Nothing much.
How you doing?
I'm good. How are you doing?
What are your names?
My name is Quilla.
Where do you come from to come for dance?
I come from Nansana.
Nansana?
Yeah.
Hey, that's where I come from.
Thank you.
I hope you give me a lift, yeah, after here.
I will. Definitely.
Hey.
Yeah, I will.
So tell me, what's your experience for this event?
Man, it's just bloody. It's so massive. It's just a blast like in Christ. This is blessed in Christ.
Yeah. Just to the camera and tell the youth to come.
Just come over if you have time. Just come through. It's free on the rooftop of Garden City. Just come through, having fun. In Christ, you can't see that soul. Yeah.
Man, it's very lit. I can't really speak much, but hey, come with me and let's talk to more people right here. Now I want us to talk to the guys that are really making the party go marvelous. Let's talk to them. Oh man, what's up?
What's up? Nothing,
What
man.
are your names?
But Cherry Suswata.
Are you dancing?
Oh, that's
Are you dancing animal?
Yeah, that's animal. The Royal Army.
Hey, Royal Army. This guy is going to dance for us. So show us the move. This guy is pulling moves like like nothing. But man, let's talk to more people that are really rocking it right here. Come with me and let's talk to them about some good. Hey! Yo, how are you doing?
I'm good, how are you?
What are your names?
Because I'm here with a friend.
Oh, where do you come from? Come here.
From Bunamaya.
Where?
Bunamaya.
So tell me, how did you come to know about this event?
Because a friend of mine, a friend of mine, he knows wrestling.
Okay.
That's why
So you're enjoying?
Yes.
Really? Let me scream hallelujah! Hi, how are you doing?
Fine, very fine.
What are your names?
Naga Wasman here.
Oh, where are you from?
Gobe.
You're from?
Bunamaya and Gobe.
Really?
Bunamaya.
Where did you fly? Which country are you from?
Germany.
Germany. Hey, how do you greet in German?
Wie geht es dir?
Hey. Then what if I said donkey? What does it mean?
Hey, thank you. Omani German.
Yeah. Danke. Yo, thank you so much. And hey man, we're still rocking with the best team. I'm your boy Gaby, great brother from another mother, and we're making it happen lit. This is your #1 TV station called TV Africa. Sights and Sounds is the program that you're watching. And hey, today we just dropped by Rooftop Garden City, and let's talk to more ladies and more guys right here on the grounds. Keep it locked, don't touch the dial.